Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, so first things first. All right, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you, my old time subscribers. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all gonna dance? Y'all gonna dance? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. I don't have any product in or on my hair, so I'm gonna revisit the Eco Cannabis and Sativa Oil Leave-In Conditioner. You guys know I did a review already. I'll leave the link up above. Check it out if you would like to. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just spritz it all into our hair, get our hair nice and moisturized. So by the title of this video, you already know I'm using some clip-ins. I get down with Hergivenhair. You guys know I have a few videos on my channel already reviewing the hair, and it's just fun to switch it up. So thank you for sponsoring this video, Hergivenhair. You know, with sponsored videos, I keep it real, but I'm just saying when they're sponsored.
Girl, you get a coin with that. I like it. All right.
Yes, I'm so sorry if you have problems with sponsored videos. When you come to this channel, you should know that if it's sponsored or not, I still keep it real. Okay, so when you receive your clip-ins, this is how the texture is looking. If you get the curly texture like myself, it matches my hair texture. So I got the 16-inch and the 18-inch. Now clearly it just doesn't look natural, but we're gonna work this out. Okay, you ready? Bam. Okay, so once you go ahead and you wet and you wash and you condition your clip-ins, this is how it will look with the curly texture. So now it's mimicking my texture way better than before. All right, and this is the shedding that I got, which is finger detangling, no brushing just yet. So in each bundle you receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6 tracks, okay? And then you're gonna break out some type of styler. I'm choosing to use gel because my hair acts right with gel and the clip-ins act right with gel. So why not use a styler that acts right? Amen. So I broke out the olive oil because y'all know it's been a while since I've used some olive oil eco styler. So what works for me, you guys, is breaking out my dim-in brush or a smoothing brush, whichever one you have, a paddle brush. We're just going to break up the curls to make it look a little bit more realistic, like it's growing out of my scalp. Amen. So this right here is self-explanatory. We're going to unclip them, okay? And we're going to make sure we measure our clip-ins. And we're going to place them where you would like them, preferably somewhere where people cannot tell that they are clip-ins. So I chose a half up and half down hairstyle. I'm not really into like very, fancy hairstyles or hairstyles that take a long time. I like simplicity in my life. So this is how the clip-ins are looking. As you can see, it does match my hair texture pretty well. So what I have to do is really work on my texture so that when it dries, it will blend seamlessly. That is the goal. So my leave out right here, well, I have leave out because I'm not braiding my hair, obviously, but the part that you can really see, I make sure to really get enough products on that particular section. So this is how my hair is looking. I always feel like a new woman, you know what I'm saying? Because, yeah. So you get more shedding, okay, which is pretty normal. It's not a whole lot of shedding. I used my brush, my dim-in brush, so that's with the dim-in brush. Not too bad. So what I have to do, you guys, I have to brush my hair with the clip-ins so that as it dries, my curls along with the clip-ins clump together to make it look a little bit more natural and realistic when it dries. Because when it's wet, y'all, it's everything, okay? It's shiny and all of that stuff, but when it dries, okay, my hair can be a little bit trifling. So I find that using my dim-in brush to blend the hair makes it a lot better. So let's get into the fun, all right? We're gonna go ahead, like I said, and rock it half up, half down hairstyle. Nothing new whatsoever. So all I'm doing is sectioning off the front section of my hair and then placing the clip-ins going forward. And that's just going to give me a little bit of extra length and just kind of have the textures match my head overall. So I'm just doubling up. So that just means I'm just putting an extra clip-in on top of the other clip-in. So I didn't really measure. I just kind of scrunched it up because no one's going to see this. It's going to go into a ponytail. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I think I left one unclipped anyway. I forgot. But Yeah, we're just making sure that it's nice and flat and realistic looking. That is key for it to look, you know, obviously like it's coming out of your scalp. So we're just gonna go ahead and position our hair where we want it, get those edges right, and create your ponytail. Y'all, super simple, right? This to me is fun to incorporate because I do deal with shrinkage. So for all you guys who deal with shrinkage, clip-ins will be your friend. It's super simple, super easy. They are affordable in my eyes because they last a very long time. It's human hair. Again, I am using my dimming brush to make sure that I am smoothing my hair along with the clip-ins. Then of course, you already know, like how I do. Like, this is the baby hair, like queen, like, I mean, adolescent queen, you know, like I just have to get my baby hairs to act right to set off a style. So this is getting really like Janet Jackson, Black Selena, I don't know, but it's flat in the back and that's all that I'm concerned with. It does, you cannot tell I have anything in my hair. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp, praise Jesus. So I will tell you off the bat, okay, I am not a person who is excited about wigs and extensions. I'm just not. But if they work for me, I will switch up my look from time to time. And although this is a simple look, I still feel like it's very different from my normal wash and go where I wear my hair down and all that type of stuff. I don't have to deal with shrinkage, which is what I really like about putting some clip-ins in my hair. I like clip-ins more than wigs, because for me it's not a whole lot of manipulation I have to do, and I can just do hairstyles like this and not worry about it, you know, play up on the baby hairs or whatever, and then, you know, throw some lipstick on, some hoops on, make it work, you know what I'm saying? And this style I wore for about 3 to 4 days. I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier, but yeah, so it was fun. Now I went ahead and just switched up my bun because I found that I like the little ninja bun better on me. You know, the Janet Jackson Black Selena was okay, but the ninja bun on me I liked. However, I thought I liked this, can you tell? I thought I liked it, but then I went ahead and switched up my bun after that. I did a messy bun, which is what I actually put on Instagram. So this was cute or whatever, you know, I had to pull down my little shoulder, show my little shoulder off or whatever, pose.
Take it, just take it, exactly.
You know, I can't even be serious, y'all. But anyway, this is the messy bun that I like. But this is what you guys saw on Instagram, and this is what I ended up wearing for about 3 to 4 days. So I'm gonna show you guys the dried look, amen. So this is where how it looks when my hair dries. So my hair is drying. It's almost all the way dry. Some parts in here are still a little damp, but I tried to shape it as best as I could to make it look as natural as possible. I feel like it's really imperative to get yourself a razor, child, and get your little, shape it up, okay? We want people to guess and ask questions and ask you, is that your hair? If someone asks you if that's your hair, you're doing something right, okay? So someone that don't ask you and be like, girl, where you get your hair from? First of all, they could be a hater, you know. They could be a hater, but people that you know ain't hating, okay, and they ask you, is that your hair? Like, you know, you're doing a little something right, okay. So I do experience some shrinkage, but it's way less shrinkage than I would get if it was just my hair alone. That's the beauty of clipping. You know what I mean? You just pop them in and you go on with your life. You feel what I'm saying? I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much to Hergivenhair for sponsoring this video. Of course, I will leave all of the information down below for you guys to check out. I do have a few other videos from Hergivenhair on my channel. That means I rocks with the company and the brand. And yeah, so yeah, y'all, I like it. It's very comfortable, very light. And we'll see. I'm gonna try to sleep in this. So we're gonna see how this is looking tomorrow. And how I sleep, I'm just gonna put a scarf on. Just bada bing, bada boom. Just tie it around and make it work, okay? Yeah, so they're comfortable, they don't hurt or anything like that. They're not heavy. So I think I've covered everything, you guys. I love you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, okay? If you do like this video, go ahead and give me a like. It really helps your girl out. And yeah, y'all, I appreciate you guys so very much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.